actually learned this from painting house after house with my dad growing up. I'm really familiar with just a lot of techniques, but I wanted to share this with you, which is really easy. It is only going to be for the rolling portion of the wall. I'm not saying that you can have a whole wall painted and cut in 5 to 7 minutes. That's just pretty much impossible. But I am going to show you how I roll the wall, and then if you can see, I've already gone ahead and prepped the bottom with blue tape, and I've taken off all the outlets. I cannot stress to you enough how important it is to properly prep before you paint. What I'm using right here is a 9-inch roll with a 3/4 nap. So I use the 3/4 because it can hold the most. The thicker that it is, the more paint that you can hold. And when you're doing the strips, like I'm going to be showing you, that's really important. And you can probably get 2.5 strips out of 1 roll of paint, but don't ever go past 2 or 2.5, because then you're just going to be pulling off the paint that you're putting on the wall. I've gone ahead and filled up my tray with the paint that we're using, and this color is Amazing Gray by Sherwin, and we're covering up this, it's kind of like a peach wall. I'm not sure if you can really tell, but yeah, first you want to start at the very front, and you're going to push your roller down into it while trying to spin it at the same time. Now I'm getting tons of paint on here just because this is the first time that it's actually gone into the paint, so it's going to be covered. Spin just like this when you're pulling it up, just so you can catch anything that's dripping. And I want to place it right in the middle of the wall. So when I say middle, like not at the top, not at the bottom, in case it's dripping. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm putting it kind of up. So you're just going to go all the way. Don't touch the ceiling, of course. And I have this outlet right here, so I'm just going to go over it a little bit, but I'm going at a strip all the way down. So if you can just tell what I'm doing here, just from top to bottom, just doing these strips. And now that I'm filling it up with paint, kind of really getting in there, so I'm going to go back to the first strip that I did, just really quick. Now my roll is good and soaked with the paint, so I'm going to start in the middle, pull it up, all the way down. And if you can tell, I'm just really using the pull. You don't really have to move your body much. You can just push, you know, just kind of let it glide in your hand when you're going up and down. And I like to go into the next strip. If you can tell, I'm barely going to the top. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm stopping right before the roller hits the roof. And this is something that has taken tons and tons of practice. Just, you know, you're gonna hit the roof a couple times, you know, while you're trying to get it down just where exactly you should stop with your roller, if you're not really familiar with painting. But I've just been doing this forever, so I'm really used to it. I kind of know already where I need to stop.